Hi there, my name's Susie and I'm from the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, and I'd like to welcome you to the Kitchen Garden program at home. We are delighted to be working with Coles, and together as part of our partnership we've created this at-home video series to help educators, parents and teachers support kitchen garden programs while their students are learning remotely, or just to cook a bit of fresh, seasonal, delicious food with their families. I'm here today to help show students what they need to do to get ready to start cooking in the kitchen, so let's have a look at a couple of those things. First things first, please make sure that you have an adult present for the whole time that you're cooking in the kitchen to ensure that we stay nice and safe. Don't forget, if you've got hair that's longer than your colour, you need to tie that up. Pop on an apron to make sure you protect your clothes, and if you're wearing sleeves, make sure they're rolled up too. Don't forget to wash those hands for 20 seconds at least with warm water and soap, and clean them on a nice dry towel. Especially make sure to wash every single part of your hands, including under those fingernails, and of course if you're making something like a dough, you're going to get quite involved, so you might want to wash those wrists as well. Be really careful around the stove and the oven, and especially when using knives. Remember to set up your chopping board safely with a tea towel underneath or a wet cloth, anything that's going to stop your board slipping while you're using it. And of course, remembering that we're not using our knife, it's up at the top of our board with the blade facing away. Have a little compost bowl on hand ready for your scraps as you're chopping, and before you get cooking, read your recipe really thoroughly. Have a little look if there are any time-sensitive things that you need to do before you start cooking, like preheating an oven or getting a pot of water on to boil, and chop up and prepare all your ingredients so that when it's time to start cooking, you're all ready to go. Enjoy sharing what you've cooked with your family, friends or neighbours, and don't forget, you don't need a big garden to start growing your own fresh seasonal food. Try growing a few herbs or leafy greens on a sunny windowsill in your kitchen, or maybe in a small garden bed or some pots outside. But most of all, enjoy and have fun cooking together in the kitchen.